Hello YouTube. Making a video of my SC889 today. The reason why I'm doing that is because this is probably the last video you see of it with its bag set up for a while at least. Because I am planning to because I'm going to the vacuum center and the guy is gonna help with the modified part so that it can take shakeout bags. And I'm gonna install this nice black one on there and do an airflow box test with it after that. And then this guy, I've changed plans. I don't think I'm going to sell it. I think I'm going to let the guy, I'm going to take the cord off it because I want to keep the cord, but the motor, I'm going to give to the guy because the motor's still good in it. And like, he's probably going to want this bottom plate too. And maybe even a fan. But other than that, I would say this is probably going to be fairly good chance of being junked out, but I'm going to let him part it out after I take off the cord. This guy, as I said, is going to have a shakeout bag, so this will be the last video you even see this guy in the background or anything. So this guy, after this weekend, I'm going to get it modified. So anyway, I've blabbed on for long enough. Let's do some vacuuming. That's the end of this one for vacuuming. I guess another update I could share is that my SC899's VG1, I was gonna do something with it one day, but then when I kept on trying to put it back together, it would always be stiff with turning, like it would not turn freely. So I kept messing with it, and soon enough I find out that one of the bearings, which one was it? Was it this one? Yeah, this bearing right here was pretty much frozen. Like, you cannot turn this without having to put some effort. Well, not some effort, but like more effort than it should be. Like, I'm just struggling to do it with one hand. So yeah, it's going, that bearing's shot. So I've tried, and then I tried salvaging bearings off of this one, but then I find out that this axle right here on one of its sides is pretty trashed up because you can't screw one of these little bolts on it. I've tried so many times and it just wouldn't screw on there. Like, in fact, I think I got pretty frustrated one day doing that because it was just so hard. And it wouldn't go on there. Like, why in the stinking world are you not going on there? So, yeah. Sometimes with vacuum cleaners, you just gotta be patient. Because sometimes they can be a big pain in the butt. In fact, the only reason why I was able to use my SC889 for the job I have had that day is because I saved its VG2, which is right under here. If I didn't have this VG2, I would not be able to use the SC889 at work, and I would have to take something else to sub for it. So, yeah, if it weren't for me saving that vibromer too, actually sometime in the past I was thinking about getting rid of it because I was like, oh, I'm not going to use this. Well, I'm glad I didn't, because now it was a big save. It's always good that when you only have like one vacuum being used for something, it's always good to have like a certain backup part for it or something. And apparently I can't do this with one hand. There we go. These clips go on perfectly. It's like it's like they just go on there perfectly. It's like, wow. Like my other two, it's like, especially my 899, it's like, something's not right. So anyway, is there any other updates I need to give? Probably not. That's probably it. You know what, I'm surprised? I'm surprised Sanitaire hasn't made all their cords red. Also, somebody think Sanitaire has upgraded all of the 800 series Sanitaires to the red cord and handle grip. In fact, something I wanted to share is this handle grip is the same handle grip they use on their SC886Fs and the rest of the 800 series now. It's exactly like this. How do I know? Because I took apart I had to replace a cord on a Sanitaire S670 something once. 75, 77. In fact, I have a video of it that I fixed it. And I had to take apart this whole switch assembly here to do it, because it was the cord was connected to it. And when I took it off, this was like, hey, this is the same handle grip that they use on their newer SC86s now. So yeah, this is like the exact same handle grip. Yeah, when I put that shakeout bag on it, I'm kind of hoping that this Sanitaire hits something in the 180s CFM nozzle, like my 886 did once. Will it hit it? I don't know, but I hope it does, because that would be pretty nice if it did. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else to share. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And I'll probably have some videos for next week.